Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today we delve into the world of Apple, the tech giant known for pushing the boundaries of innovation. We're talking about the latest offering from their stable, the iPhone, a device that has become synonymous with style, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology. To start with, the iPhone boasts an unmatched design aesthetic. Apple manages to strike an impressive balance between form and function, crafting a device that is as appealing to the eye as it is comfortable to hold. The premium materials used, the sleek lines, the carefully considered dimensions, all contribute to a design that is both modern and timeless. Next up, let's talk about the camera. The iPhone's camera is almost legendary in its prowess. It captures images with a level of detail and color accuracy that rival professional cameras. And it's not just about still photos. From super slow motion to 4K video, the iPhone offers a plethora of options for the budding filmmaker or the social media enthusiast. Of course, we cannot forget about the display. With the iPhone, you get a screen that is bright, sharp, and incredibly vibrant. Whether you're scrolling through Instagram, watching a movie, or playing a game, the iPhone's display ensures that every pixel is a treat for the eyes. Then there's the performance. The iPhone is powered by Apple's custom chipset, which is optimized for efficiency and speed. Whether you're multitasking, playing graphics-intensive games, or editing video, the iPhone handles it all with ease. And lastly, the software. The iPhone runs on iOS, Apple's proprietary operating system. It's intuitive, it's smooth, and it's packed with features that make your life easier. Plus, with regular updates, you're always at the cutting edge of technology. To summarize, the iPhone is a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and design. From its stunning aesthetic to its powerful performance, from its excellent camera to its vibrant display and the intuitive software, every aspect of the iPhone is crafted to enhance your experience. It's not just a smartphone, it's a statement. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional, or someone who appreciates quality and design, the iPhone has something to offer. It's more than just a device, it's an experience, an extension of your personality. With the iPhone, you're not just using a smartphone, you're making a statement. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Apple's latest masterpiece. Until next time, stay curious, stay excited.